I am set for the last one. Go for it. What the fuck's your problem? Why are you flipping me off?
Because I know you're taking a picture.
I'm not taking a fucking picture.
You already did then.
No, I did not.
Get ready to.
I'm not.
Alright. 2 Zulu Delta.
2 Zulu Delta.
Or you're taking video. One of the two.
Oh, I got a bunch of 2s in here. Give me a second. No 2 Zulu Delta. So 2 Zulu Delta. Okay.
Kilo Charlie Delta 1.
Kilo Charlie Delta 1. So now you gotta climb down from there, right? Uh-oh, you're knocking shit all over the place. Hey, this is awesome.
I didn't even break nothing. Look at that.
You did. You broke the fucking blinds.
I don't care about the blinds.
Don't break your fucking neck. You gotta drive.
Why do I gotta drive?
Fine. Fuck, I'll drive. Break your neck. This is our supply monkey.